Hey everyone, welcome back. This is our 2006 Ford Mustang V6 with a 5-speed and 132,000 miles. As you can see behind me, it sustained some minor front-end damage, and we've already acquired some parts to fix it up. The first thing we're going to need is a radiator, AC condenser, washer fluid reservoir, as well as a bumper cover, bumper grill, and some new headlights. There's been some challenges with the electrical work we'll go into. The whole goal of this project is to keep it under $2,500 all inclusive. That is the auction price, fees, all parts, all maintenance. Follow us along as we go into this car and the process to rebuild it. Let's see. Inner fender, garbage, Burger King, napkins, sucks up to the top, guard piece here, more rubbers and garbage. Got some damage back here, but honestly, other than right here in the corner, it looks like this could just clip back in a little bit right there, but clearly need a new side reflector, but that's okay. At least these clips are definitely intact. A little bit of rust there. Definitely hit, so I don't know what this hit. Clearly there's a real rear spoiler here, and somebody took off the racing stripe for whatever reason they felt like it. But you can see the holes for the spoiler that somebody took off. The other thing is when they were delivering it, I saw this. General looks good. You can see there's a little bit of bending to the crash bar here. The frame rails are in great shape. Gonna need a new condenser down there, but the radiator does not look to have been hit at all. Once we get this out of the way, we'll be able to see a little bit more. It looks like the radiator may have been hit down there. Yeah, definitely it's been in, so we'll probably need new radiator. Condenser. This all broke off. This is the one piece that we saw in there. Looks like somebody put in a cold air intake. But in general, got some like wear there, but these are just broken off from the headlights. Oh, here's our headlight. And then this has got to be our side marker right here. Crash foam, energy absorbing foam. It's pretty simple replacement. The horns there. It's a wiring harness or something. But here we go. This is what it looks like. The other side's missing. Is a larger bulb. I don't know, it's not totally clear. One of them has to be a side marker. And I see the other bulb here, but maybe we can get out the headlight that's stuck in the back and see. Otherwise, all the supports on them all look good. It's not leaking anything. So it runs and it drives, it moves on its own. And what we'll do is we'll check the oil and definitely check the coolant. Make sure everything's good and go from there. One thing we just noticed, I just took the coolant off here. You can see it's completely dry. So that's no good. I wonder if the radiator's leaking, and it just wasn't leaking when they came here, but I can see right. Yeah, it's not gonna focus, but you can see down there where the radiator. Oh yeah. This looks pretty chewed up actually. So it's gonna come right up. And well, put a little bit of coolant in, And very clearly, we need a new radiator. That is clear. Alright, well, these are all the pieces that were in the trunk, including the missing hood scoop, a very beat up spoiler. I'm assuming there's a piece from the other car here, an inner, I don't even know what type of car this is, an inner fender, real well, and then from another car, yet again, here. I have no idea what this is from. But one thing it looks like we can salvage here is the grill. This looks to be in pretty good shape here. I don't see anything broken except for one tab there. Two tabs. So this still has the headlight in it. So that looks good. And my original thought was that be able to fix the headlight socket here, but that doesn't look to be the case. However, this headlight here looks like maybe some plastic glue specific to this type, because this is a polycarbonate plastic, and requires a special kind of glue to put it in. But then this is the bumper here, and it's good that they have this, because over here is the brace to stick it on the car, and we'll definitely be needing that along with all the screws here. But yeah, this is not even all the parts are here. Let's put them hanging up. It's missing the bottom part there. Let's see, but good news too is one of the bumper brackets are right here. So the front, the inner wheel well here will also need, it looks like, to be replaced, because I thought there was the ones for this car in here, but it turns out it's from probably every other car this guy hit.